Hey everybody, this is Dane in Oklahoma. Wanted to show you the 18 by 80 mega wide Colossal by Clayton Homes. So let's go in and take a look. Okay, on this 18 by 80 Colossal by Clayton Homes, I'll do a quick walk around the outside so you can take a look. This one has the nice light gray smart panel on it. What's amazing is they've been cooling it with this little tiny window unit. And of course you get the complete full-blown smart comfort heat and air system with it. But it's amazing how cool this 1,400 square foot single section home is with that one little window unit. It's just nice to know that they're so well insulated now. I was Googling the other day who builds the best manufactured homes now, and on the Google pulled that Bob Vila from This Old House at Clayton Homes is the best builder. I thought, well, that's interesting. Let's go in and take a look. Here's the first bedroom in the 18 by 80 Colossal by Clayton Homes. And this is a great sized bedroom for the first bedroom. The closet's really good, lots of outlets around, big window, lots of natural lighting. That's one thing people say a lot about this house is they've got so many windows. You hardly need to have the lights on. So this one has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then this flex room. I know that if you order it from the factory, they can set it up to where, since it has that closet over there, they could put a wall up and this could be a 4th bedroom, but a lot of people like the 2 living area option. There we go. Tub, shower, sink combo. And this bedroom, number 2 on the end, is massive. There's a 2nd bedroom. If this is a guest bedroom, if you're downsizing when family comes to visit for the holidays, or maybe you're moving here from California or New York or the Carolinas. We've had people moving from Mexico, Montana, Kansas, Missouri. All over, they've been coming and they love this home. One of the top sellers. Let's see over here. Now this has a huge wall. You put your TV. All the guys are like, where can I put my TV? Right there. 100-inch TV, go right there, no problem. Walking around here looking at the kitchen area. Nice amount of cabinets. You could have your island here if you want to set it up with 4 bar stools, no problem. Plus the dining area here if you like. Got your utility room in here. Large utility room. And people say, where am I going to stick my freezer? There's no room in here for my freezer. Well, hold on. Hang tight. I got you covered. Check it out. This pantry is massive. Look at this pantry, ladies and gentlemen. It's huge. You got a little outlet down there. If you want the big old deep freeze, you can take that top or that bottom rack off, stick your big deep freeze in there. No problem. All right, let's go check out the primary bedroom. Lots and lots and lots of windows in the primary bedroom. Let's count them. 1 big one, 2, 3, 4. All right. You could easily get your king size bedroom suite in here. Now this unit, this lot model, looks like they've got the walk-in shower, which a lot of people prefer. A lot of folks that are downsizing say, I don't want a door on my shower. Okay, well, we got you covered. You got your 2 sinks. Now for the folks who want to order home, they told me no problem if you want a big garden tub. We can get you one of those ordered. Look over here. This closet can come with a door on there from the factory if you prefer. Lots of space in this closet as well. Okay, and as we go back into the main living area, everybody that's been getting this home, they love it. Absolutely love it. The things they love about it is the open living concept. The rest of the family's down on that end. On the other side of the living area, And if dad's playing his big TV, it's going against that wall so mom or dad can sleep, whoever's sleeping back in the bedroom here behind me. Have a movie night with the family. Can you imagine having a big old deck built out here, coming off your sliding glass door? Families gathering here in the kitchen area, hanging out. It's the perfect home to downsize.